Hi, the shell stitch is great for shawls or scarves or even afghans. It's done in multiples of 5 plus 1, and I did a chain of 41, which it measures about 11.5 inches across when finished. Also, I did it in medium worsted yarn with a J hook. If you like to go smaller, you can have less chains or a smaller hook or thinner yarn.
Hi, on any of my videos, you can go down to the description and follow me on social media. I have a Facebook page and group. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and my blog is amyscrochetpatterns.com. You can click on closed captioning, subtitles, auto translate, pick which language you prefer, and the info button to watch any of these videos.
This is done in multiples of 5 plus 1, so I'm going to do a sample of 41. So you're going to chain as many as you prefer, and it measures with a J hook, because I used a J hook, about 11.5 inches to do 41. So if you want it smaller, you can use a smaller hook. Okay, now that you have your chain count, it's multiples of 5 plus 1, you're going to go to the 8th chain from the hook. Double crochet right into that 8th chain. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then you're going to chain 3. And then work 1 double crochet in the same space. And then chain 1, and then 1 double crochet in the 5th chain. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 for a double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, and then chain 3, and then 1 double crochet in the same space. And then chain 1, and repeat that across until you get to the end. So in the 5th chain, work your double crochet again, and then chain 3 again, then double crochet in that same space, and then chain 1 and repeat that again until you get to the end. Okay, you're going to finish this row with a chain 1 and then double crochet in that last chain. So grab your yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to complete this row. Now start with a chain 3 and turn your work. And then in the chain 3 space, which is that V-stitch, you're going to work 7 double crochet. So insert your hook, grab that yarn, and work your first double crochet, and then you're going to work 6 more for a total of 7 in that chain 3 space. Now you're going to repeat that and work another 7 double crochet in that chain 3 space, and that's the pattern across until you get to the end. Just work 7 more double crochet right into that space. So your first double crochet, you have 1, and then work 6 Okay, it's going to look like that, and just repeat it again. Work 7 double crochet in each of the chain 3 spaces. So you're just going to work that again until you get to the end. Okay, it looks like a shell when you're finished, and just repeat that as the pattern. Now at the end here, you're going to, in the second chain, work a double crochet. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So a double crochet in that second chain. Now if you want to add a new color, take your yarn with your color change and pull it through the loop of the double crochet. Then continue on with your row. You're going to chain 4 and then turn your work, and in the 4th double crochet you're going to work 1 double crochet in that 4th double crochet of the shell with your new color, or you can keep it the same color. Then chain 3 and then work 1 double crochet in that same stitch, and then you're going to chain 1 and repeat that across. So go to your 4th double crochet in the shell, do that again, work 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet in that same space, chain 1, and then go to the next and repeat again. So go into the 4th of the shell, the 4th double crochet, and repeat. So 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet, and then chain 1, and just repeat that until you get to the end. Now you're at the end. You're going to double crochet in that second chain, now you're going to row 4, and you're going to repeat row 2 now with a chain 3. Then you turn your work, and in the chain 3 space you're going to work 7 double crochet. So this is a repeat now, and you're going to repeat rows 2 and 3 and alternate between rows 2 and 3 to complete this pattern. All written instructions are on my website, and it's listed down below in the description. Okay, you have your 7. Now go to the next chain 3 space and work 7 double crochet again. Okay, you're at the end, and you're going to work 1 double crochet in that chain 2 space, and then you're going to repeat row 3, and that's how you finish this. With all your loose ends, you're going to chain 1, yarn over, pull through, weave in your ends.
Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can watch my latest videos. Thank you for watching.